Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your tall aloe plant that could potentially fall over. So after so many times of harvesting the leaves from the bottom, here, the plant starts to grow and grow and grow and grow and looks like this. And it could easily tip over if your pot is small. So if you want to fix this, I'm going to show you how, so that you can do this to your plants. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to cut the aloe plant back to here, and then we are going to replant it so that the soil will be right at the base of the plant. It'll be more sturdy, it will look better, and it won't tip over anymore. Okay, so what we are going to do is cut the plant back, and so as you can see, it's very, very tall. It even has a baby right here. And so this little baby is basically a pub that is attached, but you can pull this off and plant it as its own, as an aloe plant. Okay, so we'll plant this along with the mother plant just so you can see how easy this is. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to cut it back. Okay, so now we want to let this dry out first before we plant it. And if you notice inside here, the roots have sprouted new pubs. So if you leave this here as is, these little babies are going to grow into larger plants and you're going to have more aloes again. So we're going to leave this container here, plant the large aloe plant in a different container. That way you can see where all of these here will eventually grow and you get more and more aloe plants. Okay, so we'll wait until the core dries and then we'll plant it. Okay, I let the core sit out for around a few hours and it is pretty much dry now, and so it's ready to be planted. So here is my pot I prepared. Make sure you have something with nice draining soil, and anything that doesn't keep water like a pool, you're good to go. Sandy soil is the best. So this is the mix that I made for myself, and so we're just going to plant it deep until it covers up into this area right here. When you plant aloe, make sure you hold it like this. That way soil doesn't get into the center. You don't want that. Okay, you want to push it down a little bit because you don't want the aloe to topple over. And so there we have it. I'm going to plant the baby pup too, just so you can see that it will grow along with this parent. And then we'll come back in a few months and I will let you see what happens when the roots grow back. Okay, it has been 32 days now, and look at the aloe, alive and well. The baby plant also grew a little bit, and so just in case you want to see proof that there are roots down here, I'm going to dig it up and show you. So let's see. Gonna be a lot of work. I'm gonna put the soil over here so we can put it back after. There it is, guys. Look at the roots down there. You see those white roots? Let me show you. I don't want to stress it out too much. You see, those are the roots right there. So, oh, here we go. You see it? I'm gonna put it back so it doesn't stress the plant too much. But yeah, you see? And that's where we cut it. We cut the core and down there, And I leave this much room because I want it to be down there and it can stand up easily. You see? So it has new roots now. And there are lots more all around. And so now you see the plant is to the base of the soil. And it's going to grow healthy and nice. Let's take a look at the baby plant too. I'm sure it rooted as well. You see? That's how the parents also look at the bottom. Okay? So if you want to fix your tall plant that is about to fall over because you harvest too many leaves, you should do this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.